how long that barn is.
Right.
It seems like that driveway you just come in.
Mm-hmm.
I just paid the week of Christmas. Just the part that you come down the park. $1,400 a month.
Yes.
And I've got to have this done, but right now I can't afford it.
Right.
And so, but I have to maintain it.
And it's a lot for one person to do.
Yeah, it is.
No, I can tell you that.
And again, this is show arena, jumps and stuff, and I don't know what kind of riding he does. Everything jumps, all the stuff comes with it. This is the things I'm showing you. Like that's my ticket, my booth where the judges sign up in.
Okay.
And it's horrible. I have to do that thing all over the place.
Okay.
But these shots I took here, and I'll send them to you. Yeah, and this is one I did the other day, and it was all burgundy.
Yeah, from the trees.
Yeah. And all them graphic pairs, they were burgundy. But this is just and where I did this, I made a winding road through here, so you just come in.
Yeah. I want to make sure he sees that.
Now, on the other side of them trees is Highway 58. So you don't have to worry about nobody getting right beside of it.
Right. And it's really not holding water bad considering the amount that we've had lately.
Yeah, now if it's showing water on that, then you can say, oh, it sure is wet. Well, sure, up till a week ago, it was all dry. We had all that rain.
We have had some torrential downpours. Got one horse coming out to say hello here.
Yeah. Kind of blends,
two of them.
It kind of blends into grass, but now,
hey, Bonnie. Yeah.
is showing it okay in the camera?
And now, what is the building right back there?
Okay.
On the other side of that.
Okay.
Are we gonna go over to it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, because that's a privacy fence, and I've got a lot of more jumps and barn stuff hidden back there.
Okay.
Jumps and stuff. And then that big shed, you can't go in there and make another barn. But my son's got equipment down in there.
Okay.
Cars, boats. I'm saying, but no, that could be just hooked on this pasture. That could be another big barn right there.
Right.
I do put the size on it.
Right.
Now, this is where, see what's coming at the house? I fenced in.
Yeah.
That's an acre, so you come right that driveway. We'll go down to there. And so this would have been the back side of where my house would be. And my whole barn, everything, shed, clean up the corner of the house. So I can stand right in the middle of the house
And see everything.
And see everything. And this fence, and I don't know if you know about this, is one of the most expensive fences.
Daggone right it is.
I've got hundreds of thousands of dollars.
Just in fencing.
I got miles of fence. And my sheds, they got little sliding there, just like a house.
Okay.
I've got
They look like little houses.
They look like little houses. That's right. And that's what I did right there. So we had that house in the road. Now, this farm in Over, do you know the Pages?
I do.
Well, this is Barrington's.
Okay. All right.
And Barrington's, and at the end down there, where you said the farm way down the end, well, this is all Barrington's and Herbert's.
Okay.
So,
It'll be vacant for a while, because Barrington